brightening the skin, which is Bonjour Paris.
Hello friends. Hi, how are you people doing? I hope you are doing well. Well, this is a highly requested video, highly requested video by people and my friends who are just new babies into makeup. So this is a video I wanted to do for such a long time and I don't know why I forgot. I'm sorry, but this time I'm going to make this video for friends who are new in makeup, beginner in makeup. So these are the products that as a beginner you will need in your makeup kit. So stay with me.
Start with foundation. There are many type of foundations like sheer, full coverage, medium coverage, blah blah blah. For beginner, I'll say keep a medium coverage one, so that if you need it you can shear it down, or you can make it heavy if you want to, like almost full coverage. I use Maybelline Fit Me matte finish foundation. They come in various shades suitable for all Indian skin tones.
Okay, as a beginner you will love to, or you need to keep your makeup kit very simple and handy. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is this powder. You may have a translucent powder, a setting powder, a compact powder, whatever it is. Keep a powder in your hand.
I use Blue Heaven's translucent powder. It really keeps you shine free for a very long time. Now you'll need a powder brush as well, because for beginner controlling puff can be tough since many of you don't know the amount you'll need for baking. So let's skip the baking step altogether.
You'll need a blush. Okay, you will definitely need a blush. The blush I use is this. I use Lakme Duo. This is my favorite blush, by the way. This is such a long-lasting blush that you won't need any touch-up anytime in the day. You are one and done. Okay, my cheeks are fabulous. This color is sweet and this color is for all the Indian skin tones. Okay,
you can use powder brush for your blush as well. You don't need 10,000 brushes as a beginner. Also, just keep a tissue paper with you, okay? Wipe the color before using it.
Setting spray. You need a setting spray. Okay, setting spray is a very important step or very important makeup product for a beginner, because who has time to do some touch-ups? Okay, and if you are a beginner, if you go for the touch-up, you are probably going to ruin the makeup. So no, stay away from that step. Instead, use a makeup spray. Also, makeup spray gives you a dewy, long-lasting finish. It binds all the products, so you can use a makeup spray whenever you are going out, and especially if you are going out for a long time with all the makeup, you need a makeup setting spray.
The next important item is mascara. Trust me, this is such an important makeup item. It totally changes your face, okay? It wakens your face up.
This is my favorite mascara. See, this one. Maybelline New York Hypercurl Mascara. It's very cheap, but it works like magic, trust me. This mascara is chef's kiss.
The next important, and for me the most important item, lipstick. I mean, makeup can't be done without lipstick. You'll need some matte and some gloss. Okay, there's literally no such thing as enough lipstick, so buy as much as you want to. Who am I to stop you? I'm currently wearing Maybelline Baby Lips. It's called Berry Sherbet.
This is my latest obsession. Okay, I'm wearing this every frigging day. I'm not at all rich, I'm broke, so I'm also not very fond of those bougie high-end brands. For me, these cheap products are the OG. I love them, and neither I wear those bougie product. I think I have one. I used to be a fan of MAC and Huda and blah blah blah, but not anymore, because for me now quality matters more than those brand names.
A very important makeup item that should be in your makeup stash, which is concealer. Always it for me is the first thing in makeup I reach out to. Okay, it literally brightens up your face. Even if you don't want to use foundation, concealer is a must. I use two concealers. One is for color correction, which is Swiss Beauty One Scent, and another for brightening the skin, which is Bonjour Paris.
Next thing that you will need in your makeup kit is eyeliners or kajal, something for your eyes. Because see, us Indians or South Asians in general, we have the most beautiful eyes in the world. Come on, I'm biased. So it is our duty to highlight our beautiful feature. So for that, you will need eyeliner, kajal, something. And okay, when it comes to buying them, go with whatever you are comfortable with. I know many people, including me, who are very bad with liquid eyeliners. So you can go with pen eyeliner, kajal, gel eyeliner. Nowadays there are 10,000 options to buy. So go ahead, buy something, but you need something to highlight your eyes, okay?
Always buy liner, whatever liner that you are comfortable with. May that be a kajal or a gel liner or liquid liner, liner pen, whatever you can work with. It all depends on you. I'm currently wearing Seri Kajal.
The next product that you definitely need your simple makeup kit is eyeshadows. Eyeshadows creates the drama, the oomph in your face, okay? No matter where you go, no matter what you put in your face, eyeshadow is the thing that binds all the makeup into one another. It literally gives the shape of your makeup. And I know many of you are confused about, how many brushes we are going to buy, and of course, makeup gurus or makeup artists uses 10,000 brushes at a time, and you cannot buy them. Also, you don't know how to manage them. Just go with this one brush. See, this is Domi. With this one brush, you can achieve many looks. For now, at least, because you are a beginner, don't worry much. Go get this one brush. Okay. And you're good to go.
For eyeshadow, I'm using Lakme Quadrat eyeshadow palette. It's called Smoky, I think. This is a very good product when it comes to low budget product.
Okay, buy makeup sponges or beauty blender. Not one or two, plenty of them. Keep them somewhere, because sponge is a very important thing, very useful thing, and they goes out like crazy. You are going to forget about them. You are going to ruin them. They magically vanishes on you, so buy plenty of them.
For a beginner, this is everything that you'll need. I know there are many other stuff that you can use that, we see on makeup videos, but that's for when you will get little bit pro, okay? Now do your makeup and win the world.
I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'm bringing another video like for beginners very soon. Until then, bye-bye. Also, I love you all. Watch my next video, which is coming right after this one. And till then, bye-bye.